you.
Why are you using your phone while you're driving?
Because I've just crawled in ahead and I was just checking something for my son.
So you admit you're using your phone when you're in charge of a motor vehicle?
Well, I've got it in my hand, haven't I?
Yes, and you're touching the screen with it, and the screen was illuminated, wasn't it?
Okay, well it lit up, yeah, I picked it up while I was crawling in traffic.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
In charge of a motor vehicle, yeah. So I'm not going in front of you. I don't particularly want to get run over. KJ18 WCO.